In this guide, I'll show you how to enable vertical tabs in Google Chrome. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content. By default, Chrome places your tabs across the top of the browser. If you prefer them on the side, here's how to switch to vertical tabs. Start by clicking the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome and select Settings. Once you're there, go to the address bar where it shows Chrome//Settings. Remove the word Settings and replace it with Flags, then press Enter. This will take you to the Chrome Flags page. In the search bar at the top, type Vertical. You'll see an option called Vertical Tabs. Click the drop-down menu next to it and change it from default to Enabled. After that, click the Relaunch button in the bottom right corner to restart Chrome and apply the changes. Once Chrome restarts, go to the tab area at the top. Right-click on any tab or in an empty space, and you'll see an option called Show Tabs Vertically. Click it, and your tabs will move to the left side of the screen. This gives you more space at the top, and you can also collapse the tab panel to make it even more compact.